Guys, it's a summertime and halos lahat excited sa mga company outing, team building, or kahit yung mga outing na in-schedule ng mga kaibigan mong puro drawing. Pero ngayon, natutuloy na yan. At of course, hindi naman tayo papayag na yung mga kaibigan natin, they are wearing their favorite summer bag tapos tayo nakatingin lang because we don't have budget kasi narami ka ng gastos. But don't worry, hindi tayo papayag. Sino yung mag-aakala na you were able to get this product here at TikTok for a very reasonable price. Napakaganda ng quality, malaki yung space, at siguradong hinding-hindi ka mapapahiya. Kaya nitong makipagsabayan doon sa mga bag ng mga kaibigan mong hindi naman magaganda. What are you waiting for? Get this product using the yellow basket for you to get the same product as mine. Napakatibay, di kalidad, at siguradong hinding-hindi ka mapapahiya dito. Check the yellow basket for you to see yung different designs. Marami kang pagpipilian. So what are you waiting for? Pwede mo ito ibigay sa mga kaibigan mo, sa family mo, kasi napakamura niya lang. But hindi sinacrifice yung quality ng product. So what are you waiting for? Click that yellow basket for you to check out. Click that yellow basket for you to get the same product, the same quality of this product as mine. So what are you waiting for? Check out na! Bye!